In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Node.js on Pop OS. Now, Node.js is an open source server development platform, okay, that enables you to build server-side applications using JavaScript. All right, now for us to install Node.js, it's very simple. We're going to follow some few steps. First of all, you want to open a web browser, and then I'll go to nodejs.org. All right. And when you go into Node.js to install Node.js, you go to other downloads. Let me increase the font here so that you can actually see it well. All right, we go to other downloads here, and then we're going to scroll down and go to installing Node.js via package manager. Right now, I'm using Pop OS, like I said, and Pop OS is built on top of Ubuntu. So I'm going to select Ubuntu based Linux distributions, Debian, and Ubuntu based Linux distributions, and it's going to take me here. Now, when I come here, you want to go to Node.js binary distributions at the top here. All right, we're going to download that one from Node source, and it's quite very simple. It's just going to give you some steps for you to follow, and then you are going to get it installed. All right, so scrolling down, want to use this step right here. Okay, this step. So I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to open my terminal. Now, the current Node.js build, the current version is I think version 19. Yeah, I think so. All right, I hope you can see now. So I'm going to paste the link here, and I'm going to press enter, and then it will require my password. I'll enter my password, and then it's going to install Node.js on our Pop OS. It won't take much time, so I'll forward the video so when it is done. All right, so Node is done installing. So if you check Node version, or we have Node version 19.20 2.0. Okay, and Node.js comes installed, or npm comes pre-installed with Node.js, so we can check for our npm version also. That is Node package manager, and we should get 8.19.3. all right, so that's all for the tutorial. Want to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos relating to Node.js and PHP, and I'll see you in the next video.